Welcome, adventurers! Today, we're taking a look at Hotel Oaks Early Bird, Osaka Morinomiya, also known as Vacation Stay 28792. For easy booking, scan the QR code that appears on screen now, or check the link in the description below. This hotel offers a convenient base for exploring Osaka. Free Wi-Fi is available in all rooms, so you can easily share your experiences or catch up on work. Public areas also feature Wi-Fi, allowing you to stay connected with family and friends. Need a quick snack or drink? A well-stocked vending machine is available, perfect for those late-night cravings or a quick refreshment before you head out. Each room is designed with comfort in mind, including a high-quality television, allowing you to relax with your favorite shows after a busy day. Located conveniently in Osaka, the hotel gives you easy access to everything this amazing city has to offer. Remember to book your stay at Hotel Oaks Early Bird, Osaka Morinomiya today. Don't forget, you can find the booking link in the description, or simply scan the QR code on the screen.